Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and the next installment of my House is Not a Home series. Today I'm so excited to show you the latest update to my home, the kitchen renovation. I recently decided it was time to give my kitchen a much needed facelift. I replaced all the appliances with sleek, modern ones and installed beautiful quartz counters that really brighten up the space. The under the cabinet lighting adds a warm ambiance, and the new cabinet pulls give the whole room a fresh look. Now, one of my favorite aspects of my new kitchen is this beautiful peel and stick backsplash. Yes, you heard me right. That's a peel and stick. It's not tile. It was so easy to install and it really added a pop of color and texture to the space. If you are interested in checking it out, the backsplash for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below because I got it from Amazon along with most of the stuff that you see in this video. I also swapped out the old sink for a farmhouse style one, which is really looks great and is also more practical for my cooking needs. I need space, and I hate those two double-sided sinks. That's just not me. And let's not forget about the little details. I changed out all the outlet covers to gold and USB just to match the new aesthetics of the kitchen. Major shout out to my boy, my contractor Victor. He did an amazing job on the renovation. His attention to detail and craftsmanship is just untouchable. And then take a look at this frosted black door. It adds such a modern and sophisticated touch to the space. I just love how it complements the overall aesthetics of the kitchen. So I just thank you all so much for joining me on this tour of my renovated kitchen. It was truly so much fun doing and putting this together. I just love the way it turned out. As always, make sure to comment, like the video, share it with family and friends, and I hope that it inspires you. Thanks for watching.